Hello guys, welcome to... The lighting's a little better this way. Hello guys, welcome to the first episode of, excuse the noise in the background, Cooking with Keva, because we're cooking today breakfast. And this is not only just breakfast, but this is college edition. So as you can tell by my hair, not hair, but yeah, it's very natural. My face. We're doing no makeup for this one, because you're not really gonna see me that often in the video. And this is gonna be like college inspired. No, it's actually like the college edition of cooking. So I'm gonna show you one of the things that I make for breakfast in college. I've been making this since high school, so whatever. Anyway, so we're going to start with, I was thinking of doing like a voiceover, kind of like how I did with like the Cardi B hair mask. But you know, we can always do a voiceover for a different day. Excuse my hair, like, you know, like I said, it's very college themed. Like, imagine that you're just waking up and you're cooking. Natural face, bedhead, just natural. So we're going to make fresh orange juice. I have oranges. So we have like this little thing from, excuse my nails. Okay, so we have this little thing from Marshall's. It was like $4. Apparently it's a cocktail thing. It's $3.99. It was like $3.99 and it was like $4. So orange juice, like, I'll show you guys how, like, it just works. I just get all of the pieces though. So what I usually like to do is like put this together so that it comes into like a little top thing, and you twist it and then boom, it's an easy device. 1, 2, 3. Okay, is this lighting good? Decent? Yeah, it's kind of raining outside, so it's not going to be the best lighting quality today. I want to use like natural lighting, so yeah, maybe next video. Wait, well, if I turn the light on, will it help? I don't know if that helped or not, but we're just gonna keep it on. Okay. We'll take the stickers off first, and then I like to wash them off. Okay, since I'm going to like literally like cut these up in like 2 seconds and like the peel is going in the trash, I'm just gonna take the cutting board and put oranges. And they're like sliding everywhere. Okay, I'll be back. Now we want to make sure you have like a bag, like an old shopping bag would be nice, if you guys have one of those. But since this was like right here, we're just gonna use this. And what you should do is like roll them out. Yeah. So I don't do this all the time, but like sometimes I do. I don't make fresh orange juice all the time, but I like to do this sometimes, and it tastes better than like buying it like. The lighting is not the best, but you know, you can like see it's like taking seconds. Wait, what if I do this? No! No way! You guys, I literally just broke my tripod. This is literally my tripod right now. Like, seriously. So I only have like 2 legs to it now. So if you guys want to like make cocktails, like, you know, you should totally get one of these. It's like super easy. If I just use it to like make orange juice. One time I got grapefruit and also like worked too. But this is a great way to get your vitamin C in, so like, you know, help with like your if you have like a runny nose and stuff like that, which you always need vitamin C because, like, you know, college and stuff like that, you're always moving around. You guys can like put like the pulp like this in there, but like honestly I just like eat it because I don't really want it in my juice. We have like this amount of orange juice. Yeah, I'm going to like put it right here, just like that. And then I'm going to start. I'm gonna like wipe the area off first because I'm going to start making eggs right now. I just used the extra virgin organic olive oil to coat the pan. I'll make sure that the stove isn't on yet. Okay, so the pan is coated, and then we're going to put it on medium heat and let it heat up. Wait. And then we have our 2 eggs. Going to get these blueberry bagels. Oh wait, we're just gonna get the bagels. See, it looks like, well, you guys know what blueberry bagels look like. Sorry, it's like a bit harder to. Okay. So I call this like the Gen Z way of cooking because sometimes I put like sometimes I put the eggs in the blender so it like gets it nice. Should I say yeah? Yeah, but I only do that at home. My mom thinks I'm weird for that. She's like, that's so lazy. But it's like, it's not. Like, how else do you, like, you know, you don't have to like whisk. But I'm not gonna do that today because I don't feel like cleaning the blender. But like this, and plus like when you're on the go, like she also thinks I'm weird too for like putting the eggs in. Like, I'm just gonna show you. But anyway, I call this like the Gen Z way of cooking because, like, okay, you take the egg, yeah, and then I just dump it in there like that. And so I haven't been using cheese, and I've been like, you know, reducing like dairy products and stuff like that. So what I've been doing lately, just like kind of like, you want scrambled eggs, so this is what you do. Literally 2 seconds. Like if you're running late, like, and if you even eat eggs, like, hello. It's like a super quick way. I also used to use well, I had like margarine that I use, so it's like the country, is it Country Crock? Yeah, the original one. That one is just like amazing. My Nana, when she makes breakfast and stuff like that, she uses that, and it's like the best, literally. But this tastes just like cheese. Oh, this is sea salt, the grinder. And then I use organic black pepper. I accidentally bought 2 of these. I have like a regular one and then like this. Oh wait. And then this like, okay, put that there. Oh my gosh. You know, this would be more helpful if I had a GoPro or something. I think I'm gonna get one of those because I want to do like biking videos and like I've only rode my bike once around campus and I haven't been outside since, and that was like a few days ago, like 2 days ago. 2 or 3. Yeah, it was like Monday and it's Thursday now. So this is ready. I'm gonna like turn the stove off. Okay. So, usually I'll just like do this because it's like hot. This is like the best invention ever because it's like everything. Like it takes 5 seconds to do most of this, but I just hate this pink pad because this is literally, I thought it was cute because it was pink. Well, it's like a peachy kind of pinkish orange, but it's actually a vegan like sponge, so it doesn't really even get this up. Like I have to spend like twice as hard scrubbing, but I mean like I'm gonna use it until it gets ripped up, so. Cause like I'm not wasting my money. And then like I usually get this sponge thing that's like this, and like I don't know where my roommates found these, but like I love these. Toaster stuff. This is like an interesting vlog style. Okay, so now we're gonna like take our cream cheese and just place it on there. I saw in Walmart like a few months ago that they had pineapple cream cheese, and I was just like, that looks so interesting to try. Like, oh my gosh. No, but I think they're like the only ones that have like blueberry cream cheese too. Like it's so hard to find. I noticed that Target doesn't even like sell cream cheese and like other flavors really. It's so sad. Okay. And that's how it looks. Oh my gosh. So I have these cute little glasses, and I was just sitting on the couch and I was like realizing how my roommate, someone accidentally took my glasses. But these are like my you guys saw like my Chicago vlog, my like latest one. I got these from Chinatown. They're so cute. Yeah, and then so someone also like left this, but they thought that whatever they left I could have. But my glasses were like left. I mean, someone accidentally took them. But then at the same time, it was like the stuff that was left was like, you know, like I had like the Pyrex thing and stuff like that. So yeah, plus they were from Walmart, so it was like, okay. yeah, I can always go back and get some for more. It's not like I use them anyway, because like I swear I like broke up quite a few of them like between like freshman year and like last semester. So yeah, they like really slip out of the hand easy. So I'm pretty sure like they were all gonna like go anyway. Plus it wasn't like it was signed by Michael Jackson or anything. Then that's a problem. Like you need to send those back like right now. But they weren't. So yeah, like they were imported from like, you know, Singapore or something like that. Like, and they were like unique. Yeah, I would need those back. But we all had like similar looking stuff anyway. So it was, yeah. If you guys like saw in like, oh wait, I'm still editing that. Okay, never mind. But if you like see in like some of the stuff that I'm like about to post, I'm just trying to wait for Mercury retrograde because like weird stuff is happening. And like my tripod just broke, but they usually say like technological complications are like a thing. But I actually have been having like issues with like my editorial software. So that's not fun. I have to import my video stuff into iMovie. And then, so cute. Yeah, I have to import my video stuff into iMovie and then to get it to work. So I'm trying to export the full clip so I can get it into Final Cut Pro because they have like miniature pieces. Like I honestly need to sit down and watch a Final Cut Pro video, but I have like seen some like videos, but like it doesn't really like help like what I'm trying to do. Like it's like still like the same setup and like it was supposed to like a few months ago, but like it still hasn't like really helped. So one moment, my mom just sticky rice. She made sticky rice. Well, we like mushy rice. Like that was like our thing growing up. Like we would just get so happy like when she made like the mushy rice. And yeah. And now like I'm not even home. And like guess what happened? So when I came back, like okay, so I went home like a few weeks ago, and so when I came back, like everybody, I was supposed to come back sooner, but I didn't come back as soon as I thought I was going to. But yeah, so I think my roommates, they either like took my sugar or accidentally threw it away because like I had like white sugar because I haven't eaten like white sugar in like over a year really, but or well used it in my food because like I don't really cook anything that has like that uses sugar. And yeah, so basically I was trying to like sugar like, you know, my body and like, you know, see if like I could like work. So I saw this like see if it like would work if I like made it like myself. And so I saw like this really cool video, so I went out and bought some sugar. And you know, so I brought mushy rice back thinking that my sugar would still be here, and it wasn't. So yeah, I had to use like coconut sugar. And I find like when I feel like when the mushy rice, when like my mom makes that, like you have to use like a lot of brown sugar. And then but you don't have to use as much white sugar like when you make it. Like it just sort of like, you know, I just wanted that one meal with the sugar and it was just gone. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be making more college like videos, so you know.